Dealing with long hair everywhere can feel like a never-ending battle, especially when it gets stuck in your vacuum. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Levoit Cordless Vacuum. First up is the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, which caught my eye with its tangle-resistant design and lightweight build, priced at $149.95. If you want a vacuum that tackles long hair without the headaches, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum features a tangle-resistant design, which means less time wrestling with hair that wraps around the brush. It has a powerful suction that can last up to 50 minutes on a single charge, giving you ample time to clean multiple rooms without interruption. The included attachments, like the 2-in-1 pet tool, make it easy to switch from carpets to hard floors, ensuring you're covered no matter where the hair ends up. Plus, with over 20,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people are finding this vacuum to be a game changer for pet hair and long hair alike. Now, some users mentioned that the dust bin can be quite small and might require frequent emptying during larger cleaning sessions. Here's the thing though, for most homes, it's manageable, and the Easy Empty feature means you can empty it quickly without hassle. This vacuum is perfect for you if you want something lightweight and easy to maneuver, especially if you have pets or kids. But skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty option that can tackle larger messes without needing to be emptied often. Now, if the Levoit's dust bin size concerns you, the next option might just fit the bill. Product number 2, Shark Navigator Lift-Away. Next is the Shark Upright Vacuum Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. This vacuum features a large dust cup capacity and an HEPA filter, making it a solid pick for those serious about keeping hair and allergens at bay. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its lift-away functionality, allowing you to detach the pod and clean above floor areas like stairs and furniture. This is a huge benefit if you have long hair that tends to migrate to those hard-to-reach spots. With swivel steering, you can easily navigate around furniture and tight corners, and the 0.87 L dust cup means you can go longer between emptying, perfect for those larger cleanups. It also boasts a HEPA filter, which traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. However, some users reported that the vacuum can be a bit heavy to maneuver for extended periods. But honestly, if you don't mind a little extra weight for the powerful suction and versatility, it's still a fantastic option. This vacuum is great for you if you have multiple surfaces to clean and need something that can handle both hair and dander. Skip this if you want something ultra lightweight, as this one is more on the heavier side but packs a punch. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for dealing with those pesky hair issues. Product number 3, Byssell Pet Hair Eraser. Coming in at number 3 is the Byssell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff, priced at $149.99. This one really surprised me with its powerful suction and tangle-free brush roll, perfect for long hair. Byssell designed this vacuum specifically with pet owners in mind, but it works wonders for human hair too. Its tangle-free brush roll means you won't have to spend time cleaning hair from the roller itself. It just lifts off any debris with ease. The powerful suction can tackle dander and hair on both carpets and hard floors, making it versatile for any household. With thousands sold each month, it's clear that this model resonates with many, especially for its allergen filtration capabilities. Now, some customers have pointed out that the vacuum can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, though, if you're looking for a vacuum that prioritizes performance over quietness, the suction power here is definitely worth it. This vacuum is perfect for you if you're a pet owner or someone who struggles with allergens in your home. But if you prefer a quieter cleaning experience, this might not be the one for you. Now, if the noise level of the Byssell isn't your style, the next vacuum is a quieter option that still packs a formidable punch. Product number 4, Shark Navigator Lift-Away. Next on our list is another Shark product, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away, priced at $199.99. This one is a great option if you want a premium vacuum that tackles hair while being easy to use. This vacuum stands out with its lift-away functionality, allowing you to detach the canister and clean those above-floor spots like drapes or ceiling fans that often trap hair. The HEPA filter system captures 99.9% of allergens, which is fantastic if you have sensitivities. Plus, the extra-large dust cup means less frequent emptying, which is a relief if you have a lot of cleaning to do. And with swivel steering, navigating tight spaces is a breeze. However, some users noted that the vacuum's cord can be a bit short, which may restrict your reach in larger rooms. But here's the thing, if you're mostly cleaning smaller spaces or don't mind moving around, the power and efficiency make up for it. This vacuum is perfect for you if you need something that excels at both pet hair and allergen removal. Skip this one if you're someone who values a long cord for extended cleaning sessions. Now, if you want something that's cordless with a slightly different approach, the last product on our list might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, cordless vacuum cleaner. Finally, we have a cordless vacuum cleaner priced at $99.99. This vacuum is designed for convenience, especially if you're tired of tangled cords and want the freedom to clean anywhere. This stick vacuum offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, which is impressive if you need to clean an entire home without recharging. Its anti-tangle feature is a massive bonus for anyone dealing with long hair. Plus, the LED display lets you see the battery level at a glance, so you'll know when it's time to recharge. It also comes with a wall mount for easy storage, making it a practical choice for those with limited space. But I'll be real with you, some users have mentioned that the suction power isn't as strong as corded models. That said, if you're looking for portability and ease of use, this vacuum still performs well for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you value convenience and want something lightweight to grab for quick cleanups. But skip this if you need a vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning, as it might not meet those intense needs. Now, let's wrap things up and see which vacuum truly stands out. So there you have it, the top 5 vacuums for long hair. The Levoit is great for lightweight cleaning, while the Shark Navigator offers powerful suction and versatility. The Byssell excels at allergen control, and the Shark Liftaway features excellent maneuverability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Shark Navigator Liftaway because it combines all the best features for dealing with hair effectively. I'd recommend avoiding the Byssell if noise is a concern. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.